I've been living here in this 5-room HDB for around 1 year. We have 2 children, one son who is 7 and our daughter who is 5. We've been using the water dispenser for around 2 weeks now, and it's been great. The children love it. My husband loves it. It's nice ice cold water in the morning. Before that, we were using, the microwave or the kettle for our coffee. So I think that this water dispenser definitely helps.
Sometimes we just have to leave ice overnight so that we have enough cold water for guests the next day or something. So it's quite troublesome. The water dispenser is on demand, so it just takes out a lot of stress of ensuring there's cold water or hot water.
Keep the kitchen nice and clean. It's a lot more convenient for us, I think. And we don't actually need ice anymore.
And we find ourselves drinking so much more water now. Water's really nice. Oh, when we have guests over or kids, it's just so easy, anytime they want water, just take it.
They were very fast. It's perfect. It was very neat.
They were very professional. Very professional, They discuss on how to do it, how they're going to run it all. And it was just a very painless affair. It took less than 5 minutes. Yeah, I was like, what? You guys are done?
Yeah.
So it's all neat, and the kitchen is so clean now, neat.
And the children as well, they'll go to the water dispenser and just take it themselves. They know what to do.
It's a very good investment over time.